Welcome to Vocablab. Be more specific. Here comes 17 synonyms you can use instead of the verb say. Comment. The lady commented that there was glitter on the floor. Utter. Nobody uttered a word during the presentation. Reveal. The fortune teller revealed sensitive information. Voice. If you don't voice your opinion, nothing will change. Pronounce. On Saturday, they were pronounced husband and wife. Declare. After declaring that he was high, Philip left the office. Claim. He claimed that the car had been damaged by somebody else, but nobody believed him. State. In the introduction, the author states that his research is based on official numbers. Announce. The owner announced to the tenants that their rent will increase. Note. Someone noted that it smelled like bubble gum and chocolate. Mention. She mentioned wanting a caterpillar as a pet. Observe. Her wife observed that the table behind them was still empty. Remark. The waiter remarked that it was very unusual for customers to drink milk as a dessert. Express. She expressed her sincere apologies for having stepped on the policeman's foot. Assert. The boy asserted that it wasn't him. Convey. I didn't understand what the artist wanted to convey with his performance. Suggest. The tour guide suggested Camden Market to the group. Do you have a personal favorite? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe.